Hey, how's it going everyone? Luis Brian here. Today we got a small package here in the mail. It's the new iPhone battery pack with MagSafe. So this is going to be for those newer iPhones, the 12 mini, Pro, and Max that have MagSafe built into them, basically magnets. Once you need some, extra battery, extra juice on your phone, you just slap this on the back of your phone and it starts charging wirelessly. If you come on over, I'll show you right now, it's going for $99 at the Apple Store. Just got released this week, so you can actually go pick it up at the store or have it shipped to you. And since it's MagSafe, Apple already sells MagSafe compatible cases, so you can just slap them on the back of those cases and it still charges. Now let's get this unboxed. All right, let's see here. Getting this off. Does this just come up? Oh yeah, it just slides open. There it is. Some paperwork, no extra cables or power adapters, just the backup battery itself. Oh yeah, just tear that up. There you go. It's not that thick, You're gonna have the same signature magnet layout as you can see here on the cases that lines up with your phone. And in the bottom, you're gonna have the lightning port. So right here, I have two phones, the 12 Pro, and oh, this is just a regular 12. And I have the 12 Pro Max. So first, let me try it on the 12. So it just slaps on. Let me see if it identifies it. Does it get it? I think it might be dead. Give me 1 second.
20 minutes later.
All right, so we're back. It turns out that the backup battery didn't have any juice out of the box, but we got it charged. Got the iPhone 12 Pro Max and some AirPods right here. And we're gonna try it out, see how it all works with all these devices, if it even works with the AirPods. But let's start off with the 12. Slap this onto the back, and you can see here in the front, it starts charging. So look at it. It pretty much almost aligns with the body, and it's not that thick. Maybe it's similar to the one that, from the cases before. Now, take that off. And let's try it on the Pro Max, see how that looks. Starts charging right away. Yeah. Looks pretty cool. I wish there was different colorways so it could match the different phone colors. But yeah, I like this, portable. I don't like having battery cases, so this is a good different version for me that I like. Now, does this work with AirPods? Let's try it out. Put the AirPods here on top. Oh, look, you can see the red light. It does work with AirPods. That's pretty cool. I have another MagSafe charger with the 20-watt charger. Let's see what this happens right here. See what happens. Nothing happens. All right. Now, this is cool and all, but with Apple products, sometimes there's a catch. And the catch with this is that you're not really going to get that fast of a charge from just the battery pack itself. You're going to get 5 watts, which is like equivalent to the chargers that they provided to you in the boxes from like 5 years ago. However, they do advertise that you could charge up to 15 watts of wireless charging. Yeah, it says it on the website, but that's only if you have a lightning cable plugged into a 20-watt charger. So you're gonna have to plug that in like this and plug in your phone. We'll have it wirelessly. This is the only way to get the max charging power. Come on, Apple. Really? Take this off. Plug your phone in. And you get the same or even faster speeds over time. I don't know, it just seems like an extra step that shouldn't be taken in order to get the max power out of this thing. Regardless of that, there's also limitations of power because of the small battery pack. But when you need some extra battery on the go, in case of any emergency, this is pretty convenient to have. So, I mean, in that case, if I have like 20% I just need, to make a couple phone calls, text, browse the web, get directions to somewhere. This is something cool to have on the go, and doesn't take up a lot of space in your backpack or anything. So, I mean, this is pretty cool. Let me know if you guys got one or if you're interested in getting one. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you like it? Do you hate it? I'll be reading those comments. But until then, I'll catch you in the next video. Brian, until next time, peace out.